Hello, I am Akshay Borkar, Managing Director, Seven Green Solar Systems Private Limited. I started Seven Greens back in 2010-11. We have a footprint of about 150 megawatts in the solar rooftop segment. We started using LONGi 2-3 years back. LONGi has been the global leader in the solar panel manufacturing field. It's a very stable company. We had done a pilot project in Pune where we had used 100 kilowatts for one of our assets, in which we were getting superb output. That site has always been giving one of the best outputs. That's when we decided to really start using LONGi in a big way. So we backed the prestigious project for a company called Abhishri Packaging. They also have a sister concern called Geotech. So 2 locations were in Silvassa and 1 in Umbergaon. Abhishri Packaging, we did 900 kilowatts and some 650 odd kilowatts at these 3 locations where we have used LONGi 545 bifacial panel. The performance is very good. The output that we are getting is a little better than what we had projected. So what we have seen is it has given us good output for the last couple of years. What we did is, in one of our bifacial projects, we tried painting the surface below white, and that's when we were getting around 14 to 15% more output than a regular panel. Honestly, there are no problems as such, but the whole process of buying has been very smooth and the whole client experience is very good. So typically what we have seen is the degradation factor for all the panels. The regular panel is about 0.55 per year, whereas the LONGi bifacial is claiming to be 0.45. So what we see is that because of these lower degradation, we see that the panels will last for 30 years. If there is an option, I would suggest people to really buy LONGi because of the good quality and good output.